In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Gumroad account and sell your first product 2026. We'll walk through the entire process from opening your account to publishing and sharing your very first product. Keep your browser open, pause as needed, and by the end, you'll have a live product ready to sell. Start by heading to Gumroad and choosing Start Selling or Sign Up. Create your account by entering your email, a secure password, and a username. Your username becomes part of your public profile link, so pick something clear and brand friendly. Check your inbox for the confirmation message, click the verification link, and then log into your new account. Once you're in the dashboard, set up your profile so customers know who you are. Add a profile photo or logo, your creator name, and a short bio that explains what you make and who it helps. Include social media links to build trust and give buyers a way to follow your work. Then customize your storefront appearance. Choose visuals and colors that match your brand, and make sure everything looks clean and consistent. A quick preview helps confirm that your page feels professional. Next, connect how you'll get paid. Go to Settings, then Payments. Add your bank account or payout details, and complete any identity and tax verification that appears. Use accurate legal information so approvals go smoothly. Save your payout settings before moving on. This step is essential. Without it, you can't receive your earnings. Now it's time to create your first product. Click New Product and choose the type that fits what you're selling, such as a digital product, membership, course, ebook, template, or a simple downloadable file. Upload your product files and make sure they open correctly. That clear file names and reasonable sizes help your customers have a smooth experience. Add the essentials, a clear product title, a helpful description that outlines what buyers receive and any requirements, a thumbnail or cover image that stands out, and your pricing. Keep your messaging focused on the benefits and outcomes your product delivers. When you're ready for the world to see it, set your product visibility to public. Before going live, review everything carefully. Double check the description, price, images, and files. When it looks right, click Publish. Copy your product link and share it online. Post it on your social channels, add it to your website or bio, and send it to your audience. As questions come in, use that feedback to refine your listing and improve future products. That's it. You've created your Gumroad account, set up your profile, connected payouts, launched your product, and shared it. Now you're ready to make your first sale.